Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a clean with me. And in today's clean with me, I'm going to be cleaning my laundry room. I want to focus mainly on the laundry room. I'm not going to clean anything else but the laundry room. Because if you can see over here on my dryer, it is covered in lint particles, or as my husband likes to call them, dead socks. If you ever wonder where your socks go, it turns into lint. Yes, and fills your pockets and the lint trap, and yeah, that's where your socks go. Yes. But yeah, I also want to focus on, cleaning the floors and the counters and folding some laundry. I have washed most of the laundry. I do have one load left I need to do. I have some clothes that are hanging to dry, but they're all dried now, so I need to put those away and just mainly just clean in here, so that it's nice and spiffy and clean. So yeah, let's just get on into the video.
Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to walk on by. It has been a year and now I'm living on the line. It has been
You think of me longer, you're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay of me longer, you're making me stronger, making me stronger.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets.
It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And
That is all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed me cleaning my laundry room. I really needed it, so I am very happy with the results. And yeah, don't forget to go down and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!